currently presenting the final year project presentation. And we are three partners in this project presentation. First is of course me. The roll number is 1729010036, Arpit Mudgal. The second one is 1729010054, Deepak Singh. And the third one is 1729010005. And our project ID is 2017 CS EP ID 64. And the project name is Real Estate Website. The abstract of this website is that the real estate website is an interactive, effective, revenue generating website designed for the real estate industry. The main objective of this application is to help the real estate company to display unlimited numbers of property listings on the website. The website not only provides an easy and convenient way to search for listings but also display the entire list of the properties in a customized grid format. The buyer can then view the complete specification of each property listing with its features, description and photographs. The website also provides a drag and drop control to save the list of selected properties listings while browsing other options on the real estate website. The problem statement for this website is the purpose of creating this real estate website is to outcast the discrepancies in the hundred of such existing systems on the World Wide Web. One of the basic problems with the existing system is the non-interactive environment provided to the users. Most of the websites involved in real estate business use some web template to put the content specific to their company and make it communicate with database to search the listings. These templates simply use basic web controls to do this task, making the web page non-interactive. On the other hand, the motive of real estate website is to allow the user to play with the search tool and create different combinational search criteria to perform exhaustive search. The objective of this website is the foremost objective of this website was to give a different visualization styles to the real estate website, which has more features, attractive animations, and altogether a new look in contrast to the already existing websites. Usually in real estate websites, the property search page consists of traditional search style, that is set of text boxes, drop downs to select a particular MLS for the property to search along with other controls to specify the number of beds, bathrooms, or any additional features they are looking in the property. In contrast, this website provides altogether a new visualization of the search page. The next objective of importance was to build Ajax enabled real estate website, which not only reduces annoying postbacks and loss of control focus but also gives a faster and more interactive user interface. Moreover, to make the website more feature-rich features. The scope of this project real estate website is to enable the buyers to search property listings online. The motive of developing this website is to design a feature-rich search engine which can make the search commercial land properties an easy task. Introduction. There are large numbers of commercial real estate online information service providers offering a suite of commercial properties and services tailored to the national and local needs of the commercial investment industries. Their purpose is to attract community of industry professionals including investors, property managers, landlord, appraisers, local and national buyers to select the property with desired features. In this increasingly demand scenario for a platform which could help buyers to have a look at the available property listings with all its photographs, necessary specification, description. This application is an effort to provide such a web interface with some attractive and innovative features using the latest technologies. Real estate web application is a website with the latest attractive and interactive look to the web pages. How website works. The one looking for house to buy and sell lands on our website. Then he can register himself with our website to buy and sell property. If the one is looking for house, he can simply search house accordingly to him as by the numbers of bedroom and washroom, etc. If someone wants to sell his house, he has to follow some steps, and these steps are: firstly, he has to register himself as a realtor. He has to fill correct information about his house, put the price according to him or the local buy there, and he has to put correct images and correct address of the house. He has to wait for the queries. The assumptions to connect to this website is that user should have internet connection, Internet Explorer, and should upload valid images for the real estate website. The data flow diagram of the website is: first, the consumer lands on the page. He sees the display properties with tags. He filter by regions, choose real estate agency, and then contact the owner. Then the second is he sees listing real estate, enter information about the property he wants to buy. If user has a account, then register information. If he doesn't, then he has to make account. The second is he becomes a consultant, and if user has an account, then show management panel, and in this management panel he can upload his listing. The tools used are PyCharm and Google Chrome. And second, the technology used are Python, Django, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And there are some references, and we are end of this project presentation, and let me show you some demonstration of the website. First we load our project in the PyCharm, then we simply just run the server to load our website, and by this command we will get the link for the website. And this is our real estate website, and here comes the listings. In this we can go for more information, and here we can see the asking price is 45 lakh, the square feet is 150, and the bedroom are 2, bathrooms are 1, and garage is 1. The realtor is Abhinav Singh. If the one wants to ask for this property, he can make just query for property Om Shanti house, his name, email, phone number, and a message, and by this he can make an query to the realtor, and the realtor for this property is Abhinav Singh. And here is the about page of our website. Here the contact information for the realtors are given. The featured listing for this are these. We have add some sample featured listing, and if one wants to add his listing, then we can go for admin panel. Admin simply just can first have to log in himself, and by this he has to first add a realtor. He has to first become a realtor. Click on the realtor, and he just adds his information, and then click on save button, and after that he becomes the realtor, and after becoming realtor only he can add listings. The first option is realtor. We can choose our name by selecting on them, and then we can add all the information about our property, that is the price, bedroom, bathroom, garage, etc., photos, and go to save. These are the contacts, group, and users. This is all about our project. Thank you.